gender, religion, and caste. In this lesson, we would learn about women's political representation and division based on religion. Women's political representation. In India, the percentage of women in legislature has been very low. For example, the percentage of elected women members in Lok Sabha has never reached even 10% of its total strength. Their share in the state assemblies is less than 5%. In this respect, India is among the bottom group of nations in the world. This problem can be solved by making it legal binding to have a fair proportion of women in the elected bodies. In India, 1/3 of seats in local government bodies are reserved for women in panchayats and municipalities. Now, there are more than 10 lakh elected women representatives in rural and urban local bodies. Women's organizations and activists have been demanding a similar reservation of at least 1/3 of seats in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies for women. A bill with this proposal has been pending. Even after getting such types of reservation in politics, women are treated unequally in the political domain. Religion, communalism, and politics. For social division, these factors also play a very important role. Religious diversity. Religious diversity is widespread in the world today. Many countries, including India, have in their population followers of different religions. Communalism. This problem becomes more acute when religion is expressed in politics. Basically, when one religion and its followers are pitted against another. This happens when beliefs of one religion are presented as superior to those of other religions. When the demands of one religious group are formed in opposition to another, and when state power is used to establish domination of one religious group over the rest. Communal politics is based on the idea that religion is the principal basis of social community. Communalism can take various forms in politics. The most common expression of communalism is in everyday beliefs. These routinely involve religious prejudices, stereotypes of religious communities, and belief in the superiority of one's religion over other religions. A communal mind often leads to a quest for political dominance of one's own religion. Political mobilization on religious lines is another frequent form of communalism. Sometimes, communalism takes its most ugly form of communal violence, riots, and massacre. Secular state. The makers of the constitution of our country chose the model of secular state because they were aware about the problems of communalism. Our constitution does not give special status to any religion like Sri Lanka and Pakistan. The constitution gives religious freedom to every individual. State always intervenes in order to ensure equality within religious communities. In this topic, we learned that communalism can raise the violence in country, but the secularism constitutes the foundation of our country. That's all in this topic. Keep learning.